Our state-of-the-art PCB online depaneling machine delivers industrial-grade precision for automated circuit board separation. With 0.02 mm position accuracy and micro-precision stepping motor control, it ensures clean, burr-free cuts on even the most complex PCBA assemblies. Featuring a dual working platform design, this system enables simultaneous panel loading and cutting operations, boosting production efficiency by up to 50%. The integrated CCD automatic optical alignment system guarantees zero offset positioning, eliminating manual calibration errors. Equipped with Windows 10 and intuitive touchscreen interface, the machine offers 100 groups of program storage with 999 points per group for seamless workflow management. Its patented high-efficiency dust collection system maintains a clean working environment while extending blade lifespan. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, hjycopto depaneling machine supports V-cut, stamp hole, and hollow strip PCB types, making it the ideal solution for electronics manufacturers seeking consistent, high-volume production results.